We're the Illinois Space Society Spaceshot team, and we're here at Engineering Open House racing rockets.
We're Liquid Rocketry in Illinois. We build, fly, and develop liquid-powered flight vehicles. We've got a wind tunnel right here to simulate the conditions around one of our rockets.
I'm representing Revolutionary Aerospace Systems Concepts Academic Linkage, or RASC-AL. So we're actually a systems-level mission design competition for NASA. And our theme this year is working with lunar regolith to create structures. So what we're having the kids do today is we're having them work with kinetic sand, which simulates the lunar regolith.
We are the hybrid rocket team. We're part of Illinois Space Society, and we're mixing together baking soda and vinegar in balloons to show kind of how our hybrid rocket engine works.
Yeah, so we're Solid Propulsion. We're a part of the Illinois Space Society, and we are demoing our solid rocket engine test stand for students to try out. Push as hard as you can. And stop. Awesome, that was really good.
We are Illinois Robotics in Space. We are demonstrating our robot that is competing in a NASA design competition, and it's designed to clean up an area on the moon for rocket landings.
So we're the Microdream Next team part of the Illinois Space Society, and basically our little activity for them is soap propulsion. They'll basically take little paper and such and make a little boat, and then basically that they use a Q-tip, put soap on it. After they put it on the surface, they'll just dab a little piece right there, and then due to surface tension, it's kind of like propulsion, so it just thrusts the boat forward.
Illinois Space Society with the Human Lander Challenge. So today we are using marbles in our fluid system to act as lunar dust and show that lunar dust can clog systems, and having students basically unclog the fluid system.
This is the Aerospace Flight Lab. You can see a couple cameras in here, and so what we do is track using infrared of these small reflective balls on aircraft and drones to be able to kind of make sure that our equations of motion are matching what we're seeing on the aircraft in the flight lab.